Hey guys, it's Joe, and I'm so glad that you're here. So, in our first video of our Apex cruise, we showed you our journey to get here and what we did on a sea day. We just arrived to Puerto Rico, so we're waiting to dock and have a good time. And so if you've been liking my content, if you can hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, I would greatly appreciate it. In this video, I'll be giving you my top tip for each port. As soon as we docked, we went to Raícea's. I also went here for my bachelorette party. My top tip for Puerto Rico is that if you forget any essentials, such as sunscreen or Band-Aids, you can go to the CVS or Walgreens that are close to the port, and it's much cheaper than getting anything on the ship. Instead of traveling all the way to the Bacardi factory, you can go to Scryer. This is another spot I went to on my bachelorette party. The drinks were just as good as I remembered, and Nate liked them too. We are headed to St. Maarten. We just arrived this morning. It was such a beautiful sailing, and we are going to go to a beach club, and then we're going to end up going to Maho Beach and try to see some of the airplanes land. There's a lot of ships including one of the biggest ships in the world, Icon, so let's hope it doesn't ruin our day, but we're going to have a great time, and let's head to the beach club, and we'll show you along the way. Our first stop was a beach that was about 35 minutes from the cruise port. We took a private taxi, and it was about a mile walk to Maho. My top tip for St. Maarten is bring cash. If you're going on your own private excursions, taxis take cash. And make sure you leave before 4 o'clock. The traffic in St. Maarten can be crazy. We are walking through a golf course from the Fun Beach Club to Maho Beach. Enjoy the next minute and 20 seconds of airplanes.
I'm doing this. Okay, this is going to be a big boy of takeoffs.
We just arrived in St. Thomas, so excited. This is the port that I was really looking forward to going to, and we are planning to go to one of the beaches and then get a banana daiquiri. We only have a short day here, so I think we have to be back on the ship before 2:30, so it is 7 a.m.-ish right now. We woke up early, had a good breakfast, and let's head out and enjoy the port. We took a group taxi ride to Magens Bay. There is an entrance fee for this beach.
How y'all doing? We're here at St. Thomas.
In Magens Bay.
Magens Bay, yeah.
It smells a little weird, but it's really pretty. It's about 9:45. Or go to the ATM, and I think we're gonna go also then to Mountaintop.
Yeah.
And get a famous banana daiquiri. Take a look at the views, and
Enjoy.
off we go. Here's our reaction to the banana daiquiri. Strong. Good. It's delicious. Cheers. My tip for St. Thomas is figure out your transportation. There are so many cruise ships and limited taxis, so it makes it really difficult to get from place to place.
Hey guys, we just arrived at Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic, our first time here.
And we are at the port of Taino Bay. So we're gonna show you around the port, and we either might stay at the port or potentially veer off. We're not quite sure. It's supposed to be fun, right?
I did hear that we're the only cruise ship at this port specifically, so hopefully we get to stretch our legs and have some fun.
Let's have an awesome time. We have a few hours, and this is our last port before being on the sea. So back to reality soon. But let's have a good time, and we'll see you on port.
We're gonna enjoy. You better enjoy.
See ya. The Port of Taino Bay was so cute. We spent so much of our time right at the pool and hung out. Don't be alarmed by the barbed wire. By walking one block and crossing a street, you can go and visit the Umbrella and Pink Streets. My tip for Puerto Plata, stay close to the port. You can hang out in Taino Bay and then just cross the street, get some cheaper food, and enjoy the beautiful streets. If you've been to these ports, leave your top tip in the comments below. This cruise was so amazing. We had so many cool ports, and in our next video, we'll be showing you what we would do after we got back from the ports and our final sea day. I really appreciate everybody watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.